Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to make a pop-up text effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have my text right here, and of course you can adjust it. For example here, let's go with just text and increase size. You can just edit it however you like. And then what's important, you go with the cursor to the start of the clip. Then you go over to settings and click the little button, the little diamond, on the right of zoom. Then, with the cursor all the way to the left, here you can go to 0.750. Then you move the cursor 3 steps ahead, so just on the right arrow 1, 2, 3. And then you change this to 1.250. And again 3 steps to the right, 1, 2, 3. And then you change it back to 1.0. And now if we view the end result, this is how it looks. Alright, that was a quick tutorial on how to make a pop-up text in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.